Hello, all my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Today, well, it's been a very busy week. We've got all of our Christmas decorations completed. Yay! So, Merry Christmas. Now we're going to do our Christmas pecan bark. So, what we've done so far is I've taken a cookie sheet and lined it with aluminum foil. I've lightly sprayed it, and I'm putting just some honey graham crackers, lining it. Takes about 24 to just line it here. And this is a very simple, good candy. So we'll just kind of put this in here to make it all come out even. I think I've got some already broken here, yeah. Kind of fill it up all that you can here. There we go. Get some another bit here. It won't take long. These are easy to break. Okay, got that filled. What I'm going to do now is I've got 1 cup of chopped pecans. I'm just going to take and just kind of spread it over this, over the graham crackers, as evenly as you possibly can. Okay, I'm going to take my hand, which is washed and clean, and kind of spread it out a little bit more. Alrighty, I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to start melting a cup of unsalted butter. I've already got one stick cut up in it. So we're going to cut up another stick of butter and let this start melting. It won't take long to melt. Okay, we're going to let this melt, and then we're going to put some brown sugar in it. So, I'm going to finish letting it melt. Okay, my butter has melted, so I'm adding 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. It was packed, wasn't it? It didn't want to come out. Oh, gracious. Okay, we're going to stir this until all the brown sugar is melted. I'm going to turn my fire down a little bit. I'm going to let it get stirred in really good, and then once it's all melted, then I'm going to let it boil for about 1 minute. Okay, it has boiled for 1 minute. I'm going to turn the fire out here. And while it was boiling, I was constantly stirring it to keep it from sticking. I mean, it didn't stick or anything, but I just wanted to keep it constantly stirred. Okay, what we're doing is going to take this hot butter sugar, and we're going to pour it as evenly as possible over the graham crackers and pecans.
Looks delicious.
Oh, it will be. Okay. Try to get all that sugar out of there. Okay, I'm going to take and kind of spread it out. And I've had my oven preheating at 350. And we're going to put this in and cook it for about 10 minutes. And when it gets in the oven, it's going to expand all over the graham crackers. So that's what we'll do. And once we get it cooked for 10 minutes, then we'll take it out and immediately put it in the freezer for about an hour. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, my 10 minutes in the oven has finished. Been cooking at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to take it immediately and put it into the freezer for 1 hour. And then we'll come back and break it up. Okay, my bark has been in the freezer for a good hour. So now it's just the fun part of breaking it up and eating it. Breaking it up and eating it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. One of my favorite Christmas themed desserts.
I know, this is one of your favorites, isn't it, honey? Yep. So this is what the bark looks like.
Yep. Just break it up into pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes so sweet.
Yep, that's what we do. We just
And it's very quick and easy too.
Oh yeah, this is a simple candy.
Yeah.
I guess you would call it a candy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what our bark will look like. I'll put it on a plate. And people can just drop by and get a big piece. So that is what our pecan bark looks like. I hope you'll try it and like it. If you would, make a comment. We'd be happy to hear from you. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.